Welcome to Amazing Products channel. Please watch this video after ending. Please subscribe this channel, get more update videos. Get more info, click link in below description. Halki Diabetes Remedy Review. How to Diabetes Remedy at Home. Halki Diabetes Remedy is a 21-day system designed to tackle the root cause of type 2 diabetes. It's highly focused on reversing and repairing the damage caused by toxins that are prominent in today's modern world. While you can't avoid toxins altogether, you can combat them, and that's precisely what this program teaches you how to do. The best part: by tackling the toxins at the root cause of type 2 diabetes, you can also reverse and repair the damage caused by your diabetes as a whole. There are no voodoo spells, ancient yoga stretches or prescription pills either, just proper nutrition and how to get it into your system. What is Halki Diabetes Remedy about? Toxins are everywhere in today's modern world. They're in your clothes, in your food, in your cooking utensils, cleaning supplies, home, environment and the air you breathe. So, it's quite impossible to avoid them completely. However, you can combat the effects the toxins have on your health, and that's what Halki Diabetes Remedy teaches you how to do. This 21-day system teaches you all the natural remedies needed to not only tackle those toxins, but to also tackle the root cause of type 2 diabetes. It's highly focused on getting proper nutrition into your diet, and in addition to the abundance of valuable information, you also receive diabetes reversing charts, recipes, 21-day meal plan. In other words, all the hard work is done for you. You just have to work through the program day by day and enjoy the delicious recipes in the meantime. I'll explain more of what you can expect from the Halki Diabetes Remedy approach in just a moment, but first, let's take a look at the bonuses you receive for absolutely free. Bonus: Relaxed Mind Healthy Body Guide, Mind Map and Cheat Sheet. Bonus: 10 videos for Relaxed Mind Healthy Body Guide. Bonus: Energy Multiplier Guide, Mind Map and Cheat Sheet. Bonus: 10 videos for Energy Multiplier. Bonus: Achieve Your Goals Guide, Mind Map and Cheat Sheet. Bonus: 10 videos for Achieve Your Goals. The best part: you can try the natural remedies that have scientific evidence supporting them for 2 months with the 60-day money-back guarantee. So, you have nothing to lose, and the potential to reverse and repair type 2 diabetes and the damage it's caused. It's also worth mentioning that you receive immediate access to the program as soon as you purchase. You just download the content onto your computer, laptop, tablet or smartphone. This will all come to you as a huge advantage, as you'll have access to the information needed whenever and wherever you are. It also makes it easy to take the program with you to the grocery store to pick up the ingredients for the recipes in the meal plan. Then, you can take the program with you to the kitchen to do the cooking, and to the couch to do some reading after you take a bit out of delicious meals that taste just as good for your health as they do for your taste buds. WHO is the author of Halki Diabetes Remedy. Halki Diabetes Remedy was created by Eric Whitfield. He is just a regular guy, but the difference is that he almost lost his wife to type 2 diabetes. This encouraged him to start doing his own research into the most effective and natural ways to combat the disease, and everything he found is what you receive in this system. But the really interesting thing is that this program provides you with a ton of scientific evidence that supports the very things you learn how to do to reverse your diabetes. Quick summary of Halki Diabetes Remedy. With the Halki Diabetes Remedy, you can completely eliminate your diabetes symptoms and reverse and repair the damage your diabetes has caused thus far, the natural way. This program takes you on a 21-day journey that allows you to tackle the root cause of your diabetes instead of taking insulin and prescription pills that simply mask the symptoms. The best part: all you have to do is read and complete. All of the hard work is done for you and laid out in an easy-to-follow guide, which also includes a 21-day meal plan. To give you a better idea of what you can expect from the Halki Diabetes Remedy as a whole, here's a sneak peek at some of the topics covered. Chapter 1. Introduction. You have everything you need. Island of Wonder. Not just another ebook. The power of addition. Toxicity. Something just doesn't add up. The real killer. The impact of inflammation. It's not just diabetes. Where it all begins. The diabetes reversing table. Spicing things up. The magic of broccoli. Not your average diabetes health plan. How it all works. Pairing up. Supplementation. Ginger tea. Serving suggestions. The multitaskers of the ground. Chapter 2. The protocol. Introducing the diabetes reversing. Glucoraphanin. Sulforaphane murosinus. The unsung hero. Vitamin C, vitamin E, B-carotene. Omega-3 fatty acid. Ginger. Magnesium. Chapter 3. All recipes. Week 1 recipes. Week 2 recipes. Week 3 recipes. Chapter 4. Success guaranteed. Welcome to your new life. Add in the bonuses you receive for absolutely free, and that's a whole lot of bang for your buck. Bonus. Relaxed Mind Healthy Body Guide, Mind Map and Cheat Sheet. Bonus. 10 videos for Relaxed Mind Healthy Body Guide. Bonus. Energy Multiplier Guide, Mind Map and Cheat Sheet. Bonus. 10 videos for Energy Multiplier. Bonus. Achieve Your Goals Guide, Mind Map and Cheat Sheet. Bonus. 10 videos for Achieve Your Goals. You can't go wrong trying the natural alternative to modern-day medicine, especially when the natural alternatives are supported by scientific evidence. Halki Diabetes Remedy sets you up with a plan for success, a plan that can reverse and repair the damage of type 2 diabetes. Not only can this save you an abundance of money, but it can also save your health, and it's 100% natural and safe, and it comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee. So, you have nothing to lose, and all to gain. Get access now. Click link in below description.